What's up everyone, back again with another subscription box for you. This is the November edition of the Magickal Earth subscription box. It's the third one in a row I've gotten. So if you want to see the last two, check them out on my channel there. Let's get started with this, wrapped in the nice little paper with the thank you again, as usual. So this is November 22nd through December 21st. So the first thing we got here is the tarot card. Four, smells good. Four of Pentacles. The Four of Pentacles generates both positive and negative perceptions. On the one hand, this card signifies that you have accomplished many of your goals and have attained great material wealth in the process. However, on the other hand, there is risk you will come to value only material wealth, thus becoming possessive and or greedy, in ensuring that no one else takes away your wealth. The Four of Pentacles indicates that you are in a position where you are financially stable and secure with solid investment. You are very conservative about money and are not inclined to gamble in financial matters. You are very protective of what you have accumulated over time, and slowly and steadily you will increase your net worth through saving money and safe investments. You are self-sufficient both financially and emotionally, and you often equate money with emotional security. You want to create order amidst the chaos to bring a state of calm and stability back into your life. Yeah, most of that's wrong. So let's see what we got. Let's see. This one, pineapple calcite. Self-confidence, hope, and optimism to help with your transformation. Pineapple, little pieces good. Pineapple calcite, that's interesting. Pineapple calcite. Good stone to use when you want to be more optimistic, associated with the solar plexus chakra, the place where we hold our self-esteem and positive attitude. This stone can connect you with the center of your personal power. With a strong sense of self, you can achieve anything you put your mind to. It will assist you in transitioning from one way of being to another. With its sparkling golden light, it illuminates your path to help you sort out feelings and to release fear of change. Use it to remember your magnificence. Interesting looking. Like a slate almost. That's the pineapple calcite. Right there. This is gratitude stone. A simple reminder to remember to always find at least one thing you are grateful for. This is a river rock. Let's go kind of a brownish one. This is gratitude. Cool. Gratitude. What's this? Rock copper. Says Michigan copper. Express yourself and accept your true emotions. It is calming and helps you strengthen boundaries. Root chakra. We were so excited to be able to get this copper in its natural form. It's got two cards with it. This is raw copper. Interesting. Copper is known to be the giver of goodness and positivity and the bringer of good luck. It can attract money, prosperity, and abundance. Copper is also known as the love metal because it will help you open up to love energies. It can help you accept yourself for who you truly are. Copper is used to promote good health and create calm and balance in your life and in your home. Use a stone to disperse negative energies in any room and to attract positive change in that space. Negative energies are absorbed by copper. Cleanses often. The Michigan native copper thing says, Michigan's Keweenaw Peninsula is the most important locality in the world for pure native copper. Mining began in 1845 and continued until 1982, and it's over 7 million tons of refined copper were recovered from Michigan's copper mines. In the early 1900s, it led the world in copper production, and lake copper was a purity standard to which other refined copper was compared. Long before the mining operations of the past century began in the Keweenaw, prehistoric peoples mined copper from the mineral-rich veins. What's the raw copper? Let's see what this is. Handmade candle by the Magickal Earth, scented with apple and cinnamon and topped with tiger's eye. Handmade candle smells really good. Let's go. Apple and cinnamon and topped with tiger's eye. There's a candle. And we got, what's this? So this is a sack. I can't open it. Oh, it's tied. Show you. This is a sachet of frankincense and myrrh and pine. Use it to reduce your stress and tension as we head into the busy holiday. Put it somewhere you can smell it often as a way to calm and de-stress. Interesting. Stick. Hand-carved wood bowl. I guess it's for. I'll put this stuff in here. Excuse me. Hand-carved wood bowl with a little stirring thing. What's this? Oh, is this for incense? That's for that. Let's these open. So there's the Aries horoscope, which is my sign. It says, during Sagittarius this season is a good idea for Aries to follow the inspiration of creating something new and exciting to look forward to. Aries shares your element of fire with Sagittarius. This assists the inner muse to think bigger and get out of any kind of rut that you've been experiencing. Bring more compassion to any leadership project and consult others to create a win-win situation. At the full moon in Gemini, you will be socially brilliant. It is a perfect time to get people on board with your vision. Delegating is key here to finishing something that you've started. Remember that even though Aries can feel like they can do this all alone, it is always better when you have enthusiastic followers. Use this month to appeal to those you need help from. Use this energy to recognize something being born within you that is brand new and ready to fly. So there's the Aries. And this is the little horoscopes for every day of the month. I'm not going to read all of them because there's a bunch. It says, this is the little card. This month is about gratitude and transformation. We are transforming to help you love your new astrology. We are forever grateful to each and every one of you for being with us. Our hearts are so full with all the love and support we have received. All the stones included were cleared and charged to ride the highest level of energy. Spend some time with your stones to create your own special bond with them. So, mission copper, express yourself and accept your true emotions. It is calming and it helps you strengthen boundaries, root chakra. We're so excited to be able to get this copper in its natural form. Pineapple calcite, self-confidence, hope, and optimism to help with your transformation. The candle, handmade by the Magickal Earth, scented with apple and cinnamon, topped with tiger's eye. Hand-carved olive wood bowl, wood of peace, a symbol of the tree of life. This wood represents insight and inspiration to help you along your path of transformation. We also chose this wood as a symbol of our gratitude to each of you. It is a perfect place for you to put your most important treasures. Palo Santo and Dragon's Blood. Use the Palo Santo and the Dragon's Blood for smudging your new gifts, your house, and yourself. It is a great way to clear out all the old and make room for new. So what is that? Did I miss something? About this. Maybe I didn't get it. Sachet, listening, frankincense, and myrrh and pine. Use to reduce your stress and tension as we head into the busy holiday. Put it somewhere you can smell it often as a way to calm and de-stress. Gratitude stone. A simple reminder to remember to always find at least one thing you are grateful for. This is a river rock. Astrology calendar and personalized horoscope, which is this stuff. We hope you love our new astrologer. And then the tarot drawn specifically for you. So that is the November Premium, the Magickal Earth subscription box. So thanks for watching.